started promoting Legendary Marketer. Let's see how it went. All right, folks. So, man, it's been a very interesting 30 days. Actually, a little bit over because we officially got started with Legendary Marketer on March 28th of 2018. But I didn't start promoting it until April 1st, which was actually Easter Sunday and April Fool's Day at the same time, right? It's kind of weird. Started sharing the information, and man, overwhelming response, toward Dave Sharp's 10-minute video. We've made thousands of dollars in Legendary Marketer in the last 30 days, and all just because of Dave Sharp's 10-minute video. Let me tell you, man, guys, that video just worked. Now, real quick, income disclaimer, results are not guaranteed with any program. Every program talks about that now because we're all on the internet now, and people just get like, wow, I can do this. Well, just with anything, you get out of it what you put into it. And so what I decided to do, what a lot of people inside of Legendary Marketer, looking at my computer here, is we decided and have decided to drive traffic continuously to Dave Sharp's video. That's all I've done. I haven't done any webinars and all this other stuff that I would normally do in a more traditional type of business. Here, we're just driving traffic to that video. And we've made thousands without having to pick up the phone, without having to do three-way phone calls. And not saying anything is wrong with that. I joined, Legendary Marketer because I was looking for something that was more automated, something that, all I would have to do is just focus on driving traffic, because you're going to have to do that no matter what you're promoting. I don't care if you're promoting this or promoting that. You're going to have to get people to see what you're offering, right? Whether you're doing it online or offline. So it doesn't matter what you do, you still got to drive traffic. So if that's something that I got to do no matter what program that I'm part of, well, hey, I can do that and make this type of money here on autopilot, and I don't have to do all the other things on the back end. Hey, it just made sense. So I'm excited. I'm enjoying these $1,000 days. Oh man, that's crazy to me. These $1,000 days, and again, income disclaimer: results are not guaranteed. But I will say this: results aren't typical. But who wants to be typical? I don't want to be typical. I'm gonna do what they tell me, and I'm going to 10x that. If they say we'll do this 5 times, I might do it 10 times, right? So that's just how I roll. And that's how you got to do the exact same thing, no matter what you're promoting, right? But here, I love $1,000 days, versus a lot of smaller commissions. I can get that, and I'll take those because we have that here in Legendary Marketer too. But man, them $1,000 days, that'll make a difference in your day. Trust me, make a difference in your week or your month, or even your year. You keep getting those all the time. So I'm excited. I'm impressed. I am definitely impressed. 2 thumbs up to Dave Sharp and the Legendary Marketer, staff for putting this program together. 5-star rating. The training is exceptional. Guys, when you see the training, you'll see you're going to learn really how to become an effective marketer, making big money online. And again, this isn't for everybody. I'm only talking to the people that want to make big money online. Now, if you just want to make little money, as well, we got something that can help you there as well. We got some opportunities there. But if you want to make some big money, Legendary Marketer is definitely where it's at. So let's take a quick look at my back office. This is my back office here. As you can see, we haven't done bad, very part-time. I've been kind of busy with, had to fly to Texas. My daughter's just had her prom, and then we got graduation. We got all kinds of things going on right now, and just kids. I got a pretty big extended family. I got sons graduating, daughters graduating. I just got a lot going on right now. And so it's very part-time, just sharing information on, about Dave Sharp's 10-minute video. And that's, if you really want to make a lot of money this year, I'm telling you, get involved in Legendary Marketer and just continuously, on a consistent basis, keep sending people to Dave Sharp's 10-minute video, and watch what happens. Again, no guarantees, but I'm telling you, that's what a lot of us are doing. That's what I've done. That's all I have done. I just keep sending people to Dave Sharp's 10-minute video, and Dave breaks it all down. You know, not only in that 10-minute video, but also in a lot of great insight and training inside the back office, because it's going to show you, Legendary is going to show you how to really scale your business to where you can make some life-changing income. Okay, that's all guys, that's even why we're all here. If you're watching this, if you're in the game to make life-changing income, correct? You want more money so you can take care of your family, do this, do that, whatever. You want the opportunity to do that. And you can pretty much do that anywhere, but with Legendary, it's because of how it's set up, it's more automated. You can get a lot done with not having to put so much work on your end. And that's what I was looking for. Because guys, I'm burnt out. I need something that's more automated that can still provide high commissions, you know, to really be able to take care of the things that I need to get taken care of. And as you can see here, you know, on a very part-time basis, we've done well over $6,000 in 30 days. And there are people that have done more than this. Again, just very part-time. I'm about to, you know, for the month coming up, I'm about to take it to a whole nother level for May. Now, I don't know when you're watching this video, so I'm sure these numbers are going to be changing. They change all the time because I check it every, you know, all the time, and they just always changing here. But, you know, so far today, 116 bucks. Let's see here. Let me hit commissions. Just do a quick refresh. 134. So it just keeps going up, right? And again, it's only like 5, almost 6 o'clock in the PM here in Las Vegas. So it's just going to keep going up and up and up and up as things, you know, continue. So really, really cool deal here, guys. And I'm just really excited about, you know, what we have. And it definitely can allow you to scale your business. So I'm just going to keep this video short, guys. Hope I didn't go too long, but I definitely wanted to share with you, I guess, my, you know, experience with Legendary over the last 30 days. And again, we've been doing it very part-time, just been sending some traffic. I made a few videos, did a couple posts, sent out a few email blasts, but I haven't really done a lot. But for the month of May, we're about to go full speed ahead, because you know what? This thing definitely does work. You know, I'm excited. People are just getting really good results that are doing the deal. And again, no guarantees, you know, but with anything, I'll say that no matter what program that we're promoting, but because it's all about what you do. If you don't share it with nobody, you're not going to make any money. And if you're not sharing it with enough people on a consistent basis, you know, you're not going to make money in anything. I don't care if it's Legendary or whatever. You know, some of y'all know what I'm talking about. You're probably in a business right now, you're not making any money. Well, I can tell you right now, it's probably because you're not sharing it, you know, that offer to enough people. A Legendary, they're going to show you how to do that. So you can make money in Legendary and make money in other things too, if you know how to drive traffic, if you know how to get exposure, maximum exposure to your offer, you can definitely do a lot more. And that's what marketing online is all about. And that's what you're going to learn inside of Legendary Marketer, is really how to do that. And at the same time, you know, a lot of other people that want to get that skill set as well. Well, hey, why not get paid for it? And Legendary has it all set up to really help you make some serious cash flow. So I'm excited, guys. Again, take advantage of it. If you haven't seen that 10-minute video, just click on the link somewhere above, below, wherever it's at on this page or funnel or wherever, or on this post or whatever. Just click on the link somewhere, button or whatever. Check out that 10-minute video by Dave Sharp explaining how the Legendary Marketer system works and how you can take advantage of it, and just get started. You'll definitely be glad that you did. So, gotta run, got some more work to do, gotta keep driving traffic to Dave Sharp's video. So that's all you gotta do, guys. I'm telling you, it can definitely make a difference. So with that said, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you over the top. Peace out.